Basically there is no backlash, so screws so that you can adjust. Ideally after the factory setting you don't need to touch the middle or the central grub screw. This is how we'll increase the size of the bore. Tighten this grub screw here, tighten the central grub screw here. Again, this is how we check the backlash of the unit. The central grub screw will be adjusted, the side grub screws will be basically loosened. Now we'll see how far the boring head will open, basically, which you can say is the maximum capacity. What we recommend is you at least lock 2 of the grub screws here. You'll have to understand this is an offset boring head. The farther the slide is out, the more offset it becomes. At this stage also we will lock these grub screws on the sides. Let's see. We don't have any backlash here. Again, loosen the grub screws. That is where we are at a 0 position.